John from Explore Nook, and I'm going to show you how to assemble the giant cable machine. Just laying out all the parts and got my steps ready to go here. So the first step is I've got my A and I've got my B, but I want to turn them over like so. Okay, so I've got the O screws here, and as in following the instructions, what you need to do is you need to unscrew these little bits in here, as so. But they are a little bit tricky. Turning them over, you might need to hold them because they fall out. So that's the thing. You need to sort of hold them as you turn them over, like that. So you might as well. There you go. And they're popped in like that. Okay, then we've got C, so lining up your holes with the screws there and just placing that in so it fits in. So it's solid like that. Okay, so I'm going to get these two cogs. I'm putting one over here and the other one up here, like that. So I'm getting these two bits of perspex out, which are windows. So I'm going to just try not to get my fingers on them, to dirty them, and then just pop them in this groove here like this. And the other one on the other end. As so. So it's basically just all set out without any twists. Okay, and this is at the bottom. This part. Then you're going to just bring it over, place that these holes, doing the cog one first. So just putting those cogs in. All right, so just making sure the cogs are on. Then just go to the other side and just making sure it's around. Popping that on the inside and just getting rid of any twists, and you can see it's on now, and you can see that that belt then is ready to go, but you might just have to adjust these little bits a bit. Okay, I've got my H and my I, so I'm going to line up this hole with the on there. Do the same with this one, lining up. And then you've got the screws. So just pop them in there and use your Allen key to screw them in. And there's a big hole here for the P's, so you can just put that in there, and that will require the Allen key, and then the other one will go up the other end. And then you've got your S screws that go into all these bits here around, so go ahead and screw them in. This time you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver. Okay, so I've got my J leg and the K plate, and I've got a P screw, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make sure these indented parts are facing down, and then just line it up and screw those in. And do the same with the other leg. Okay, so now you've got your two legs. What you want to do then is just turn over this long piece and then place this one on top here and get your Q screws and screw these ones in here. These on, so I'm just going to pop them on the top here, and I've got screws R, and there's just two on top and two on the other side as well. Attaching this beautiful wooden hook to the screw that comes out here, so you pretty much just twist that on. Carefully turn this over. And you've got your handle here, and you've got the U screw. So just lining that up, popping that on so you're lining up the screw hole. And finally, getting this screw and screwing it in. Okay, and now we're ready to play. Pop a bucket on there. Let's start transporting some stuff with the giant cable machine.